How to delete TradingView account. If you wish to delete TradingView account, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the TradingView application or website and log into the account that you want to delete. Tap on the menu icon or the three lines icon from the bottom right. Then from the top right hand side, you can see the settings icon, so tap on that icon there. Once done, you'll land on this page that says delete account. So tap the delete account button from the bottom. You will see all the things that are going to be deleted when you delete your account. So once you read this and that you are sure of it, you can tap on the yes, delete my account to confirm the deletion process for your TradingView account. That's all it takes for us to delete our TradingView account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.